It got to the point where I could never get comfortable sleeping. I wouldn't even use my left arm driving because it was just too uncomfortable and too painful. I sat down and was talking with Dr. Jacobson, and he was letting me know that if I wanted to get rid of this pain, it was going to be a shoulder replacement. Being an outpatient procedure was just so much more relaxing knowing that I could go home. For the first couple of weeks, it was basically just healing. And then I did start physical therapy. In the beginning, it was just gentle range of motion. And I went to physical therapy for many weeks afterwards because I really wanted this to be successful. I waited a long time because I'm a nurse and we don't need doctors because we know it all. But I think I waited too long to do it, and I regret that. I encourage, if you're having that shoulder pain, to seek the help. And Dr. Jacobson does an absolutely fabulous job with his shoulder replacements. My name is Pam Barclay, and I am a nurse in the recovery room at St. Charles.